The Northeastern United States blizzard of 1978 was a catastrophic historic nor'easter that struck New England, New Jersey, Pennsylvania and the New York metropolitan area. The blizzard of '78 formed on Sunday, February 5, 1978, and broke up on February 7. The storm was primarily known as Storm Larry in Connecticut, following the local convention promoted by the Travelers Weather Service on television and radio stations there. Snow fell mostly from Monday morning, February 6, to the evening of Tuesday, February 7. Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts were hit especially hard by the storm. Boston received a record-breaking 27.1 inches of snow. Providence also broke a record with 27.6 inches of snow. Atlantic City broke an all-time storm accumulation with 20.1 inches. Two Philadelphia suburban towns in Chester County received 20.2 inches, while the city of Philadelphia received 16.0 inches. Nearly all economic activity was disrupted in the worst-hit areas. The storm killed about 100 people in the Northeast and injured about 4,500. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.